Most users of Excel have no idea of the power that you have as far as tools and features of a database environment. Many people have worked with Microsoft Access to have many of the tools that you have here in Excel. And it's a lot easier working Excel, in my opinion, than having to do it all in Access. You have a ton of different features and tools that you can use to apply to your data in order to try to get more out of it than what you see on the surface. It's kind of hard when you're looking at a big blob of data to try to get an idea or a feel as to what that data is trying to tell you. And we use these different database tools and features to kind of pull that information out. A few of the, I guess, the features that you, or a few of the things that you should know about a database list, which is what we see here, is the fact that the first row needs to be what we call the field names. And then each of the individual items there are what we call fields. Okay, now it doesn't necessarily have to start on row 1, but it has to be the top row of your list. And these need all be kind of unique names and so forth, all right? The second row, or the row immediately underneath that first row, needs to be your first record. And you can see on here, what we have here is just some sales data that was downloaded from an accounting system. And that's the other item too to think about, is how do you even come up with a list like this? Well, you can type it in, I guess. That would take you a while to do. But a lot of times what people will do is they'll download the data from like an accounting system or some other outside database, and they'll bring it right into a spreadsheet worksheet like you see here. This is referred to, again, as a database list. If you have your data laid out like this, where there are no blank rows and no blank columns, your first row are your field names and your second and beyond row are your records. If you have it laid out like this, you have no worries, and you'll be able to apply a lot of the, or actually all of the tools and features that Excel has to offer. Most of these are going to be located either in the Data tab or in the Insert tab, and there's other obscure areas as well. We have formulas that you can utilize to pull data and to be able to see data in certain ways. But overall, Excel makes for a great database tool.